Welcome. This is the fourth video on Google Forms for online surveys. We have already discussed how to add qualifying questions and several types of other questions. Today we will be beginning with how to add linear scale related question, and we have selected the question as satisfying or the satisfaction of e-banking services, and we have taken 5-point Likert scale, and they have given freedom of either starting from 0 or 1. Here we have used 1, and it will be corresponding to low level of satisfaction of e-banking service, and the other end is 5, and it is the highest satisfaction of e-banking services, and we have made it required or mandatory question, and this is how it will be appearing on e-banking survey respondents. We can mark it anywhere between these 5, either 3 or whatever the number. Next is how to add rating, and here we have selected rating question, and that is for rating the support they are getting from bank. Here also you can add up to 10, and it will be beginning with 3. You can use either stars, these marks, or thumbs up marks. We have selected number 5, and this is also required for mandatory question, and this is how it will be appearing. Rate support from the bank. We can make it either 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 5. That 5 is the maximum. And next type of question what we are discussing is multiple choice grid. For that illustration, we have used the question as requesting to mention the best feature of following services. Under rows, we have given several services, that is SMS banking, mobile banking, and banking app. In the columns, we have selected several aspects such as usefulness, easiness, cost, and convenience. Rows and columns may or may not be equal. That is as per researchers' requirement, and this is also mandatory, and this is how it will be appearing in Google form. Mention the best feature. For SMS alerts, we will be marking usefulness. For mobile banking, we will be marking convenience is the best feature. For mobile app, we will be marking as the easiness. At least 1, or the maximum we can mark for particular row item is 1. Next type of question what we are discussing is checkbox grid. Difference between this one and the previous one is here we can select several responses for any row related item. We will be showing in a while. The question what we are using is mention the best features. For rows we have included inquiry, accounts opening, and closure. In columns we have uses 2 aspects, that is easiness and usefulness, and this is also mandatory or required question, and this is how it will be appearing in the questionnaire form. Under inquiry we can mark either of these 2 or both. However, at least 1 mark should be there for each of these 3 rows. For accounts opening, we will be marking best feature as easiness. For closures, we will mark both easiness and usefulness as best features. Next type of question is we can add date and time. While adding date, you can give the time as well, or else you can require only the date. Here we are asking the date of questionnaire completion. And next section is duration or the time. Here we can ask the questionnaire completion duration, whether it is hours or minutes or seconds. Here we have shown how it will be appearing in the questionnaire survey. Date will be giving, and duration we can mention it, whatever the number we will be mentioning as 2 minutes. And we can proceed by submitting. Here we have missed one of the questions and it is a mandatory one, so we have made it mandatory, and without completing that one we are unable to submit the Google form. And as we have completed, we'll now try to submit. Now seems questionnaire form has already been submitted, and we'll be getting thank you note as an ending message. With that, we'll be concluding the session on type of questions. Thanks for watching.